Welcome, one and all, to the Theater of Pain! It seems these upstarts think they can compete with the best combatants in all of Maldraxxus! Ha! I'll believe it when I see it! Either way, this should prove entertaining! Bring in the challengers!
I need to target something first. I don't have a target.
Let the bloodshed begin! No! I will not be unmade!
My blade will feast on your souls!
You will perish!
Your agony should prove enlightening.
Revenge! Me!
Is that all? We were in the show! What a disappointment! How unexpected! It seems our little pups have some bite after all! Now that the preliminaries are over, the real trials can begin!
New challenges. Ah, we'll see how long you can last.
That's still recharging. I need to target something first. That spell isn't ready yet.
Weak and pitiful!
Not ready yet. I need a target. I can't cast that yet. That spell isn't ready yet.
My blade will bathe in your blood!
That spell isn't ready yet. I don't have a target. I can't cast that yet. That's still recharging. I need to target something first. I can't cast that yet. I need a target.
I will wear your skull as a trophy!
That spell isn't ready yet. That's still recharging.
You had best make this interesting. Fall before the storm!
match my strength? Fight for glory! Oh, good.
Our challengers have passed the first trial, but they're still a long way from the title!
Mortal lives are so fleeting.
I can't cast that
so
yet.
fragile.
That spell isn't ready yet. I can't cast that yet. That spell isn't ready yet. I don't have a target. That's still recharging. I need to target something first. I can't cast that yet. I don't have a target. That spell isn't ready yet. That's still recharging. That spell isn't ready yet. I can't do that yet. That's still recharging. I need a target. I can't cast that yet. That spell isn't ready yet. I don't have a target.
Your souls are mine to claim. Let your fears consume you. Wither in my grasp. I will rip your soul from your body! Wither in my face does not end.
Another trial down! Looks like we might have some real contenders here! Look what we have here! Fresh meat!
That ability isn't ready yet. I need to target something first. That's still recharging. I need a target. I can't cast that yet. That's still recharging. I need to target something first. That spell isn't ready yet. That's still recharging. That spell isn't ready yet. I can't cast that yet. I don't have a target. That spell isn't ready yet. That's still recharging. I need a target. I can't cast that yet. That's still recharging. I can't cast that yet. I need to target something first.
Rend and tear! Gonna chop you up! Gonna chop you up! More spare parts! Incredible!
That
Our
spell
challenges
isn't
have
ready
conquered
yet.
the trials and advanced to the final round! Return to the central chamber! It's time to begin the main event! Soldiers of Maldraxxus! Are you ready for some carnage? Our rising stars now face the longest reigning champion the Theater of Pain has ever known! Mordretha, the Endless Empress!
At long last, a worthy contender! Behold my power and despair! You shall be swept into oblivion! Death itself demands your souls!
Yes! Mordretha has been defeated! I can hardly believe it! All hail the new champions of the arena! Victory and glory are yours! May you water!